Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into DataStage, your new best friend in ETL. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of data integration, extracting, transforming, and loading data like a pro. It's like a chef prepping ingredients for a perfect dish. Efficient, fast, and adaptable to whatever's on the menu. And let's be real, if data integration were a race, parallel processing would be the turbo boost we all need. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, buckle up. Parallel processing is the magic sauce of DataStage. Think of it like multiple chefs working on different dishes at the same time. Instead of one slow-moving cook, we get a synchronized kitchen, whipping up data transformations at lightning speed. With partitioning, the workload is spread out, like team members in a relay race, making ETL operations run smoother than your morning coffee. Data integration. Without it, businesses would be like jigsaw puzzles missing half the pieces. A smooth data flow means fewer headaches and better decisions. Imagine trying to make crucial business choices with messy, inconsistent data. Yikes. When done right, integration lays a solid foundation for scalability, letting companies grow without drowning in data chaos. All right, folks, let's talk job design. First things first, define clear objectives. No one likes wandering aimlessly, right? Then use modular components. Think of it as building with Lego, reusable and efficient. Next, optimize performance. Nobody enjoys a slow process and neither do your databases. Finally, ensure scalability. Future-proofing your design saves you a headache down the line. Connector stages, the unsung heroes of database interaction. First, picking the right connector is like choosing the perfect coffee blend. Get it wrong and the whole experience is off. Then configure parameters wisely. Think of it as setting your GPS before a road trip. Next, handle errors gracefully, because crashes aren't fun whether it's your car or your database. Lastly, optimize data transfer speed so you're not waiting forever. Data consistency, because mismatched records are like socks from different pairs. First, primary and foreign keys ensure structure. Without them, it's chaos. Then transactions help keep changes atomic, no half-baked updates. Regular validation prevents unnoticed errors piling up, like that mystery meat in the office fridge. Finally, synchronization mechanisms ensure your tables speak the same language and stay in sync. Testing, because surprises are great for birthdays, not databases. First, unit and integration tests catch issues early, like proofreading before hitting send. Then, validating data ensures accuracy, so you don't end up with a financial report saying your expenses are infinity. Load tests check if your system can handle traffic, because crashing on Black Friday is a nightmare. Finally, automated testing saves time. Why do it manually when robots can? Time for real-world stories. Imagine a job design that saved a company thousands. Wouldn't you want that secret? Then a well-planned database integration avoided a disaster. Trust me, bad database designs are scarier than horror movies. We'll also peek at some pitfalls in data consistency, because learning from mistakes is better than making them. Finally, validation techniques that actually work, not the ones that technically function but leave you crying at your desk. So wrapping it up, stick to best practices because cutting corners leads to messy consequences. Use connectors wisely or your database will have trust issues. Keep data consistency in check. Mismatched records are bad for business and sanity. Lastly, test, and test again because the only surprises we want are the good ones. Now go forth and build smart, robust solutions. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.